Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I'm doing all the research so you don't have to. I've been spending hours running through all the best seasonal sales going on right now for the holidays, and right in this video, this is going to be your guide to the best deals you can get from EcoFlow. If you're just in a hurry, you kind of already know what you want to browse things yourself, feel free to use the link in the comments or description. It's going to get you right over to this page, get you a really good deal on this stuff, and it helps support my channel at the same time, which I appreciate so much. Right off the bat, any orders over $2,000, you're going to get a free River 600. Any orders over $5,000, you get a free River Pro. You get 30-day price match guarantee, so you don't have to wait to the last minute to order this stuff. You're not going to see a lower price between now and the end of the holidays. And of course, you get double the member benefits eco credits during this sale. So let's take a closer look and see what they got going on. And of course, one of the biggest discounts is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra and Smart Home Panel 2 with a 400-watt solar panel. That's a nice thing to get you started. Only $6,200, usually $9,200. That is a huge discount, and the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra is the largest portable power station from EcoFlow. It is a beast. One of the largest discounts you're going to get is 53% off on the EcoFlow Delta Pro portable power station and two 220-watt solar panels with the Delta Pro bag that's going to keep this looking nice and fresh for a very long time. That's only $2,400. That's giving you about 3.6 kilowatt-hour capacity. That is a huge amount of battery. You're getting a couple solar panels and the Delta Pro bag for that much money? That's pretty crazy. Look at the normal price. $5,000. You're getting more than half off on this deal. And the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max with an 800-watt alternator charger and two 100 rigid solar panels, that's only $1,500. That is crazy. That is an amazing deal right there. And if you want the newest from EcoFlow, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus portable power station is one of the newest released very recently, and you can get that with two 220-watt solar panels and a Delta series bag, keeping that baby looking real nice the way it does, and that's only going to be about $1,200 for you. That's a really good deal as well, giving you about 45% off. Looking at the best sellers from EcoFlow, you got the Delta 2 portable power station. It is an older portable power station, but is really good and it's 46% off. It's only $550. That's a really great deal if you're a little bit tighter on money. And you also got the Delta 2 with 220-watt solar panels. That's 1 kilowatt-hour capacity, 1,800-watt output for only $900. Here's another really great deal with the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 portable power station by itself. It's only about $3,200. That's 14% off. That's not a huge discount, but that's going to be the best price that you can get this, and it is a very, very, very new portable power station, so take advantage of that. But if you add just $300, you can get a 400-watt portable solar panel with it. And over here, you got the EcoFlow Delta Pro and Delta Pro Smart Extra Battery, 7.2 kilowatt-hour capacity, 3,600-watt output, only $3,400. That is really crazy. That's a huge amount of power storage. And if you are interested in some of the bigger setups, you got the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 and the Smart Generator 400 dual fuel. That's a really great setup because you can use the battery power or fuel if needed. Moving on, if you want to pick up the Delta Pro Ultra by itself, it's only $5,000 right now. That's the cheapest I've ever seen the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. I remember this time last year, the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra was more than this by itself, and right now you can get the Delta Pro Ultra and an extra battery for less. And that's 12.7 kilowatt-hour capacity for only $7,200. That is an insane amount of power. The average power use in the United States is 22 kilowatt-hours per day. And during emergency use, you're going to be using a lot less power. This could definitely last a few days good, up to a week or so of backup power during a power outage. One of the newer products from EcoFlow is the Rapid Magnetic Power Bank. This little charger will connect directly to your phone, get it charged up real quick for you as a backup power supply if your phone's running low. Then you got the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra Extra Battery. If you already got the Delta Pro Ultra, this is a really good time to pick up an extra battery because you're going to get almost $100 off. Or if you already have some portable power station setups going on in your home and you want to upgrade it to the UPS, can get the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 2 here, and it has a bit of a discount right now of about $300 off. So those are the notable sales from EcoFlow. Feel free to use the links in the comments or description to get right over to the sale, get a really good discount, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate so much. You can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, help you stay updated on everything, but most important, click that bell icon because that's going to give you updates every time I post a new video, and you can be one of the first people to get to these limited deals.